Genuine slant bed by one-piece meionite casting. One-piece slant bed with homogeneous meionite casting distributes stress throughout structure. To ensure perfect alignment in the machine structure, the bed is machined in a single setup on a large 5-face machining centre. Wider and stronger box guideway and hand-scrape wedge structure maintains trapped film of oil between slideway and undercarriage for smooth and even travel. Minimum hand scraping density, 16 dpi, is applied on the related moving surfaces. Direct drive spindle, DDS, is standard. Wide span 470 mm to support this bulky headstock, which is circulated by oil cooling jacket to prevent the heat buildup in the motor and to minimize thermal expansion. The spindle motor is integrated inside the headstock to eliminate the vibrations from the belt or gear drives. This improves the spindle runout and leads to a greater surface finish and roundness. The integral unit has a lower inertia than traditional drives to allow faster acceleration time and to improve overall efficiency. An N-type bearing design increases loading capacity to facilitate heavy cutting, and a 4-layer labyrinth cover further protects spindle bearings. Victor's own turret. Wide carriage, 650 mm in length, supports the heavy turret steadily for reliable and continuous turning. V12 servo turret is standard. Fast tool indexing time 0.3 seconds, tool to tool. Optional, Victor Taijong's only design for VDI 40 milling turret with coupling specification DIN 5480. Allows quick tool changeover for C-axis VDI turret, and BCV models for milling and complicated machining. Y-axis milling also available. Cutting performance. High rigid structure integrated for heavy cutting. High CPK value for consistent accuracy. High accuracy and repeatability. Chip and coolant disposal. No box slideways and no covers below the chuck, except sub-spindle models. Reduce chips build up inside the machine and to reduce the cleanup. No cover design also increases available space inside lathe and makes it easy to mount steady rests even after machine installation. Coolant flush onto the Z-axis cover further reduces the chip accumulation. Chip conveyor follows the coolant tank to be removed from the machine front, reduces space floor requirement. Reliable FANUC control system. Rotary control box for easy operation. Remote manual pulse generator, hand wheel, is offered as standard for easy tool calibration. Large keypad for easy operation. Optional accessories.